Namaskar and hello everyone. I hope that you all are fine and well at your place and studying well. Today in this video lesson we are going to do scene passages. It's a text based question scene passage which we had already read in our chapters. So the scene passage 1 is The Wind and the Sun वाले chapter का है, chapter number 1. So read the passage carefully and answer the following. The wind pokes and pokes to blow away the man's shirt. The man holds his shirt firmly as it flies. The sun smiles gently and begins to shine brightly. The man feels the heat. The man feels the heat. The sun smiles and raises the heat. After some time, the man starts sweating. He finally takes off his shirt and sits under a shady tree. The sun proves himself to be stronger than the wind. As we had read this chapter earlier also, in this chapter what is happening, dear kids? The wind is boosting his power and he was saying that I am the superior from you all in this earth. But the sun said, no dear, it's not like that. We all are equal. So the wind challenges the sun that let us see who is superior and who is stronger. Then the sun accepts the challenge and they both saw a traveler passing by, and then the wind decided that who one will be the first who will take out his shirt, he would be the superior. Sun agreed. Wind ने अपनी हवा बहुत तेज कर दी और मैन ने क्या किया, अपनी शर्ट को और टाइटली पकड़ के रखा. बट उनका चैलेंज क्या था, मैन की शर्ट को निकलवाना. सो सन ने क्या किया, हीट को रेस किया और रेस किया और रेस किया और फिर वो स्वेट होने लगा, मतलब मैन को पसीना आने लगा और उसने अपनी शर्ट उतार दी. सो किसने ये चैलेंज जीता? सन ने. वाई? बिकॉज ही फाइनली टेक ऑफ द मैन्स शर्ट and the man sat under a shady tree. So this is how the sun proves himself stronger than the wind. Now take the correct answers. The first one is, who was sweating? Yes, the man was sweating. Dear kids, here the spelling of sweating is incorrect. Let us correct it. SWEATING, and here also SWEATING. Alright, now let's see the next one. The dash pokes and pokes to blow away the man's shirt. Yes, the wind pokes and pokes to blow away the man's shirt. Now let's see the true and false. The sun proves itself to be weaker than the wind. No, so we will write false. But the sun proves himself to be the stronger than the wind. Then second one is, the man finally take off his shirt and sit under the tree. Yes, so we will write true. Now let's see the C exercise, that is naming words. Now dear kids, what are naming words? Naming words are noun. They are name of person, place, animal or thing. So let us search the name of person, place, animal or thing in this paragraph. आपको याद रखना है कि हमें ये सारी एक्सरसाइज नेमिंग वर्ड्स, डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स, ट्रू, फॉल्स, टिक द करेक्ट, ये सब पैराग्राफ में से ढूंढ के ही करना होता है. हम यहाँ पे नेमिंग वर्ड्स में कोई भी नेम नहीं लिख सकते, हमको पैराग्राफ में से ही कोई नेम चूज आउट करके लिखना है. सो आई हैड रिटन सन एंड मैन. ऑलराइट, now let's see the doing word. Write the doing word from the above passage. आपको पैसेज में से ही डूइंग वर्ड ढूंढ के लिखना है. सो sit and holds. I had written sit and holds. Now let's see the next one, scene passage number 2. Scene passage number 2. Read the passage carefully and answer the following. Soon the argument turns into a fight. They bang their head. In some time, they realize that it is not helping them, so they think of another way to cross the bridge. Yes, this is the chapter of the two goats. This is the passages from chapter number 3, the two goats. They find a simple solution to their problem. One goat lies down on the bridge and the other goat walk over it. This is how they cross the narrow bridge so easily. In this chapter what we have learned, dear kids, हमने क्या देखा था इस चैप्टर में कि वहाँ पे 2 गोट्स थी जो ग्रेस कर रही थी अलग अलग बैंक ऑफ रिवर में, मतलब बैंक ऑफ रिवर मतलब किनारों के साइड, और रिवर के बीच में क्या था, एक नैरो ब्रिज. नैरो मीन्स पतला सा ब्रिज. अब दोनों गोट ने डिसाइड किया एक साथ कि हमें ब्रिज को क्रॉस करके दूसरी साइड जाना है. तो लेफ्ट वाली गोट को राइट साइड आना था और राइट वाली गोट को लेफ्ट साइड जाना था. तो ब्रिज तो बहुत पतला था, तो इट इज पॉसिबल कि दोनों गोट एक साथ जा सके एक ब्रिज में से, नैरो ब्रिज में से. नो, इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? then what happened? They banged their heads or they started fighting. Now after some time they feel that it is not helping to them. फिर दोनों गोट ने डिसाइड किया कि एक गोट नीचे झुक कर बैठ गई और दूसरी गोट उसके ऊपर से चली गई. This is how they crossed the bridge. Alright. So हमने इस स्टोरी का मॉरल भी देखा था. क्या देखा था हमने स्टोरी का मॉरल? कि हमें फाइट नहीं करनी चाहिए और सॉल्यूशन ढूंढ के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना चाहिए. Now let's see the filling the blanks. Soon the dash turns into a fight. Argument. We have to search this line in this paragraph and it is here. कौन सा word missing है? Argument. So we will write argument here. Now the second one is, in some time they realize that it is not helping them. HELPING. Now turn the page for further exercise and come to page number 21. In page number 21 there is B exercise, that is new words. आपको क्या करना है, ये न्यू वर्ड्स को आपको हर कॉलम में लिखना है और अच्छे से रीड करना है, स्पेलिंग्स को लर्न करना है. रियलाइज, रियलाइज, रियलाइज. हेल्पिंग, हेल्पिंग, हेल्पिंग. अनदर, अनदर, अनदर. ब्रिज, ब्रिज, ब्रिज. सॉल्यूशन, सॉल्यूशन, सॉल्यूशन. आर्ग्यूमेंट. कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं इस वर्ड को? आर्ग्यूमेंट, argument, argument. Now come to C exercise, that is give meaning of the following words. The first word is solution. The meaning of solution is to give answer or answer. Okay, so I had written answer. Solution का मतलब क्या होता है? Answer. Then realize means understand. Realize means understand. Now see scene passage number 3. रवि एंड रोहन वाले चैप्टर का ये पैसेज है और ये चैप्टर का पैसेज नंबर 3 आपका होमवर्क है. इसमें क्या हो रहा है पैसेज में? रवि की मॉम रवि को डॉक्टर के पास लेकर जाती है और नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग रोहन केम टू मीट रवि. Now Ravi's mother tell him that Ravi has fractured his leg. रवि को फ्रैक्चर आया है लेग में. Ravi has a cast on his leg. He needs help to walk. Rohan decides to spend time with Ravi. So, इसके क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स और इसके एक्सरसाइज आपका होमवर्क है. So, scene passage number 3 is your homework for the date 36/20 of page number 21. Keep studying. Study well. God bless you. Bye. Take care and thank you.